another video. So today I have a 10-watt wireless charging pad from AT&T. If you buy a new phone or something like that, they often have deals going on where they give you this thing for free. It's branded AT&T, but it's a quick charging pad. Has fast charge because it's a 10-watt charger. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside. No tape on this. It's nice. I don't know why they put tape on these devices now, on these boxes. I hate having to cut tape. Anyways, so let's see what's inside. $29.99 was the MSRP. I didn't pay anything. I got it free with my iPhone 12 Pro Max purchase from them. Okay, comes with little grips on the bottom so it doesn't slip around on your table. Oh, that's pretty good. Comes with AT&T branding on it. Let's see. Oh, USB-C, great. So it's a USB-C to USB-A cable. So essentially, if you want to use it as a regular USB-C cable to charge something, it'll work for that too. So that's good. Doesn't come with an adapter. That's not a problem. But of course, if you want a 10-watt charging capacity on here, you need an adapter that's also giving you 10 watts. So that's something to keep in mind. If you plug this cable into like a regular iPhone charger or something, which is only like 5 watts or something, you're not gonna get fast charging. So let's plug it in. I'm gonna plug it into this iPad charger. So it's 12 watts. So I should be able to get 10 watts out of this. Okay, let's plug this USB-C in here. There you go. And there's a LED light down here. So you don't have to look at your phone. If your LED light's towards you, you put the phone in, you put the phone on, it's gonna light up so you know it's charging. So I wish like Android, Apple iPhone showed you how fast it's charging, but essentially there's no MagSafe feature on this. It doesn't stick to your phone or anything like that. This is just a standard wireless charger. You drop it in and then this thing should turn blue initially when it's charging. Right now it's not blue. I'm not sure why. I'm gonna take it off here, put it back on. Here we go, it turns blue initially. Okay, so that's nice that it turns off so that you don't have a blinking light on your nightstand all night. So that's probably why. Okay, so that's it for this. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.